We are going for a trip for about 60, maybe more. I pack 15 euros and everything that's in here. 5 water bottles, food for 2 days. We should be totally fine. It just could be a little bit cold, but yeah, I got 2 sleeping bags and everything. Should be fine. Let's go to Hanover. And I don't want to spend any money. I got music, 2 sets of earplugs in case one breaks. I got some basic tools. Let's go. Well, seems like I'm not the only one. Wir hätten einfach tauschen sollen, ich will die Richtung!
Hallo, danke fürs Warten.
Fatboy camper. It's actually quite nice to see another one ride with a bike in full camping mode. I guess it's starting to be summer, so people get on the move. Who knows? Yeah, I need a short break. This is exhausting. It's really cold. Just for fun, let's throw them up for a second, shall we? We're charging with about 80 watts. That's enough. Let's wait. So made it to Hanover. Lipos are at 50% and I got 50% spare in another set of lipos. But I guess we still have to keep moving. The sun doesn't really give anything, it's too cloudy. Let's have a look. 30 watts, that's not much, but I take it. Yeah, it turns out I fucked up. That's the TUI arena, that's not the Swiss Life Hall. I have to go back to the inner city and that's the Swiss Life Hall. But I'm not gonna do this today, I'm gonna find camp. It's getting dark. Well, it's getting late. I'm in my tent. I only have some cold beans to eat right now. Don't really want to make a fire. But yeah, it will do just fine. See you guys in the morning. Wait, if you're wondering, no, I'm not freezing. I got like 2 sleeping bags and an air mattress. I'm gonna be just fine.
Ah shit, I made a huge mistake. There's definitely a disco nearby and I can hear the beats like poo, 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 poo. That's annoying as fuck. I'm really thinking about moving. The question is, where to? I'm not sure what to do. It's like 2 in the morning and it's so annoying. You wouldn't believe it. I have barely enough energy, well, in the light post to make it back. I could try it. I think that's what I'll do. Pack up all the things, go home. This is annoying as fuck. I could move like a few 100 meters more away, but I have no idea how far the sound is actually how far away, how loud it is, how far I have to get away.
Yep, that explains it.
Ich bin so pissig auf euch alle! Warum? Ihr könnt mich alle mal kreuzweise!
Warum, Alter? Kann man dich für fahren?
Solarzelle macht 270 Watt?
Ja. Und dann hier so ein...
Nein!
Er sagt ein bisschen lauter.
Ja, ganz toll, ganz toll.
Mach noch mal ein bisschen lauter, sagt er. Das kann er nicht schlafen. Mitfeiern. Das ist sonst unheimlich, so allein im Dunkeln.
Gerade eingepackt und entschlossen nach Hause zu fahren. Bei mir so
wie viel Lupen macht das Ding hier?
Viel. 1,220 oder so. Viel.
Also, darf ich mich mal da hinsetzen?
Nein,
Meter fahren?
nicht so lange, nicht weil ich habe kaum noch Strom drin. Ich muss nehme das jetzt nur, um noch nach Hause zu kommen.
Wenn ich da trampel, dann kommt da Strom rein. Das ist auf jeden Fall.
Der Plan war eigentlich jetzt...
Okay, I'm sub 20 kilometers from home. I'm gonna find a place to sleep. I'm freezing as fuck. Okay, next morning. It was cold. My phone showed the lowest temperature of -4 degrees. Right now I'm awake, everything is frozen, and for some reason the stupid air mattress lost air. Then again, it was really cheap. I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. I actually have to get the ice. Oh no, it's not ice anymore. I have to get the water of the solar panel. And then we keep going. Yeah, it's still ice on some sides. Breakfast. So breakfast is on the way. Just some nice basic stuff, but it's gonna need a while. So what actually happened yesterday? I did set up camp around 8 o'clock, and I don't know, at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning they started to play music. And of course that made it impossible to sleep. I gotta add something to my pack list. Earplugs. I definitely need earplugs. So at like, I don't know, 2:30 or 3, I completely freaked out. I had to go. That's when you see now, I did actually drive past them and they're like, oh no, we are sorry, we didn't know. I mean, of course you don't know. That's the plan behind, you know, camping. And yeah, they were quite nice. They actually did give me something to drink and everything. But yeah, I moved for about 20 kilometers more, and I started freezing really bad. So I stopped right here. That's the street we had to take. I just turned down here and put up my tent right here. Yeah, as soon as I get some breakfast into me, I'm gonna be fine. And we are actually charging quite rapidly. It's almost 100 watt right now. And for a panel that was completely frozen a few minutes ago, that's not bad. There's still some water on it, but no ice anymore. On the side there is. Actually, that's nice. This is completely ice. This is all. It's actually warm. Strange. But yeah, let's wait for my breakfast. Just in case you were wondering, before charging, well, I charged for a while now, but I'm at 52% now. I'm gonna leave at 70 or 80. Okay, I got one full LiPo. I also charged the flying camera. Let's get you in the air, shall we? Okay, why did my air mattress lose air? That's the place for the tent. What kind of tree is that? Yep, it's an asshole tree. Pretty sure I got a hole somewhere. It's completely wet. Going to wait a bit and then I'm gonna dry it in the sun. Okay, tent is drying. I got something to eat, I'm fine. I'm charging another LiPo just for fun. And we are charging with 160 watts. That's more than enough. Actually, how far are we? Give me a second. Well, give me a second there. We are at 62%. Neat. I don't think you understand how unbelievable relaxing this is. So, if you care about it, I'm gonna talk about YouTube stuff now. If you don't care, skip ahead, I don't know, 2-3 minutes. Well, there are some new monetization rules. Like you have to have 1,000 subscribers and I don't know how many hours of watch time. And at the time of making this video, I'm at 460 something. I need more. I mean, I do these trips mostly for me, but it was nice to get some money back. Well, usually I did use the YouTube money to help homeless people, or well, no, let's say it differently. I helped people in need, not necessarily homeless people. And it's gone now. I don't know. It's YouTube, I guess. Actually, I think about changing to DTube. It's a different payment model. It would work, but I don't know. So no idea what the future will hold for this channel. Maybe I just keep doing stupid, interesting stuff. I don't know. Should I set up a Patreon account? I don't know. Should I make PayPal donations? I don't know. I don't really care. I guess YouTube is over, at least for small YouTubers. Well, fuck it, I'm gonna close my eyes again and sleep a little bit. It's nice and warm. It's so nice to wear black clothes, actually. $150 watts, 160 watts, 170 watts. That's a new record. 174, 60, yeah. But for this year, that's a new record. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but we are at 71%. We're charging with 176 right now. I think it's enough. I can totally go home with it, even if I don't do anything. So, let's go home lazy. Oh, and one thing. Like always, I'm leaving nothing behind. Just some flat grass. Let's go. I just noticed that's the place of the first flight. Well, I have some spare time and I figured out why I lost some air. That's pretty much a giant hole right here. That's what you get for buying cheap. Okay, I'm like maybe one click from home. And I decided not to go there, at least not right now. I decided to keep on flying. I mean, that's why I have it, right? And for those who care, 190 watts. Wait, can you see it? There. I'm gonna stay here and fly a little bit. If you don't want to see any of that, that's gonna be the rest of the video. Please like, subscribe. God, I almost puked in my mouth. No, really, if you like it, like. If you don't like it, well, don't. Okay, I've been here for a while now, and I got almost 5 amp hours out of the sun. Wait, can you see that? I don't think so. Almost 5 amp hours. I like it. I fly the last 2 and then I go home.